Hello and welcome to Hydrovale Tech Overview Number 1, Hydrovale Nova Hydrogen Charging Station Components and Physics. I know you are all wondering how this magical device can sit on your desktop and produce electricity without batteries. I assure you that this device is far from magic and uses the same principles used in large-scale steam turbine power generators that consume fossil fuels. With modern manufacturing techniques, we are able to effortlessly downsize the components while giving the device a contemporary aesthetic. Let's begin. There are 4 main components that execute the various physical properties we need to generate electricity. Let's start with the kinetic energy source. The boiler is nothing more than a water tank heated by a gas-fueled furnace. When the water begins to boil, it forms steam which takes up 1,600 times more space than liquid water. Increased temperature also increases the pressure. When desired pressure is achieved, the steam is released into the turbine. This allows the gas to expand and produce a force with kinetic energy across the fins of the turbine. This causes the turbine to spin, taking the drive shaft along with it. For the drive shaft to do its job, it has to spin relatively fast. On the end opposite to the steam turbine, small, lightweight, and extremely strong neodymium magnets are mounted in a pattern that will generate a current as they pass through a copper coil. The copper coil, also known as a stator, is affected by the moving magnetic fields. These fields push and pull electrons that are loosely held. The loose electrons begin to move, which creates the electrical current. The regulator has a very important function. Hydrogen gas is kept at a high pressure, and it's the job of the regulator to release the gas at an effective rate so that the pilot light can ignite the furnace and maintain the pressure so the flame can burn efficiently. In some cases, an extra chamber may be required to decompress the hydrogen gas for better control. The circuit board is the brain behind the brawn. Modeled after the Raspberry Pi, the circuit board is capable of regulating the power for all the devices connected during charging. The circuit board allows for both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can access all of the Hydrovale Nova functions through the mobile app. A small battery is required to ignite the pilot light for the furnace. The low retail cost of $35 for a Raspberry Pi makes its engineering a great fit for modeling the Nova circuit board requirements. All of the components that we have customized for portable charging have all existed for a very long time, and the physics concepts the Hydrovale Nova applies are all ancient news. The big change is switching from coal, diesel, natural gas, to a zero-emission fuel known as hydrogen gas. Hydrogen can easily be created from ocean water from solar panels or even wave profile generators. Hydrovale Nova. Empowering tomorrow with hydrogen.